Hey, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export any video from Adobe After Effects. So in the After Effects, after doing all of your editings, go to Composition and click on Add to Render Queue. Now the render setting must be open right beside the composition. So click on Render Setting and here choose the quality best and resolution to full. And after that, leave everything default here and click on OK. After that, in the output module, click on lossless and here in the format, choose QuickTime. Now if you want a PNG sequence, you can choose the PNG sequence or Photoshop sequence. But we want to export it as a video file, so I'm going to choose QuickTime. And if you want to take some post-render action, you can do it from here. I'm not going to do anything here, so click on None. So here in the video output, you can change the channels, which is RGB alpha or RGB plus alpha. So that's up to you guys. You can do it whatever you want. But remember, alpha will give you a black and white video. So make sure to remember that. So RGB I'm going to choose here. And don't mess with the depth and the color, leave them default. You can also resize it if you want. But I'm not going to do anything with the resize and the crop. So leave them unchecked. Now click on Output 2. And go to your favorite directory. And give it a name whatever you want. And after that, just click on Save. And click on Render. And it will export your file as a .mov file, which is a video file. So that's how you can easily export any video from Adobe After Effects. So that's for today's video, guys. If you like it, then make sure to give it a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe my channel and press the notification bell to get interesting videos like this. My name is Simon and I'll see you in the next one.